Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to be talking to you guys on how to save, and especially right now since we're going through this whole quarantine period, you're going to want to know how to save, so stay tuned. I know it sounds a little corny, but buy a piggy bank. We have to start small, right? So every time you have loose change, whether it be $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, doesn't matter, even 20, even if you have like a spare 50, put it into your piggy bank. Trust me, at the end of the year, you're gonna see. Cancel any subscriptions to things that you're not using right now, or things that are just really not serving a purpose. Like for example, the gym. You could work out at home, around your house, but the gym right now, cancel that membership. You don't want to add that extra cost right now, right? Also, if you have like Hulu, Netflix, IMDb, if you have all those three, maybe just keep the one that you watch the most. Also, if you have subscriptions like BoxyCharm, Ipsy, this is one of the most important ones, or to me at least. Set up a savings account with your bank. So the thing about savings account is that you could set it up so it automatically transfers funds from your checkings account into your savings every month. Like I pick how much I want every month. So if that's like too much for you right now, you could set it up so that your direct deposit puts 10% into your savings. So if you work at a job that offers 401k, definitely take advantage of it. Contact your employer or HR if you have contact with them. If not, I think your employer could do that for you. But basically, so that they set up an account for you, so wherever you work, if they have a 401k plan, it goes into your life insurance savings. Sell your unused items or items that you maybe used in the past but you don't really find a use for it anymore. Sell them on Depop, eBay, Amazon, wherever that you could sell things. Sell them. Just make sure they're clean and in good condition. And why not? Make yourself some extra money. This is like the more in-depth one. I have like 3 pages worth of notes for this one. But basically, let me just sum it up for y'all real quick. Alright, so I know a lot of my girlfriends or people that I know of are pregnant right now, expecting. So I would definitely say set up a life insurance plan for your baby or for yourself. If you're over the age of 21, you could do this. And if your parents or if you start a life insurance for your own kid, they're going to, excuse me, I'm from Queens, they're going to get the money that you have put in that account for them whenever they want to have it available to them in like cash, like in real life cash. All right, so moving on, I want to tell you guys my method of saving. It's worked very good for me, thankfully. I'm not frugal, but I am disciplined. Say you're making 1,200 weekly or bi-weekly. That will leave it for you to split it into 3 ways. Put 400 into different parts, like say your rent, your savings, and bills or things for yourself, right? Spending money. So you could do the same thing if like you want to split it 4 different ways, except it's with 300. So yeah, so say you get paid bi-weekly, that would be 400 twice a month for 5 months. You'll have 4,000 saved up in 5 months. That's pretty good. Say you do this every week, like say you get paid 1,200 each week, you'll put 1,600 every 2 weeks. So in a month there's 4 weeks. 4 times 4 is 1,600. 1,600 times 5, you would have 8,000 in 5 months. That's pretty good. I honestly have been able to rack up quick doing that. I could take my trips to Colombia, invest in my future business, things like that. And also pay my rent, pay my bills, and still have money for me left over so I could spend. So yeah, everybody, that was my way of saving. Anna uses the same method. Same with Sebastian, our best friend who was in our video. are must-haves. I'm gonna link that down below so you can watch it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you are a saver too. What are your methods? Let me know. So cheers everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great, blessed day. Stay safe, keep it cute. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. And thank you so much for watching again.